guys, and thanks a lot for listening to this tutorial video on how to generate dummy variable using EViews. So dummy variable are variable in time series that essentially two values. For example, one at a specific period here or a period of time and zero elsewhere. So dummy variable generation are mostly motivated by instability in time series. For example, in economic, for example, we can have period of time in which economy have realized booms or a recession due to a certain factor, such as, for example, a coronavirus affecting world economy. And for future modeling of time series, we should in consideration the situation that coronavirus have created in our economy. I will take as an example in country that are set in a CFA franc zone. You know that a country in CFA franc zone have experienced Great Depression in period of time 1986 to 1994. Since the devaluation of CFA franc and then the economic have become to realize economic growth. For example, we can look at there are many variables in our data set. We have GDP in current local currency, GDP growth, GDP annual growth. We will look at GDP annual growth chart. So I will look at the spreadsheet. You can see that in here 1997 we have negative economic growth, as well as in 1998 the same thing through 1993, and then the economic began to realize a positive economic growth. So we can look at graph so that you can see the instability in the period 1996, which economic of this zone became to collapse, to capsize. This period of time were very bad for CFA franc economy. So we will generate a dummy variable that will take into consideration this stability of this period. For example, we will generate dummy variable that will took the value 1 in 1996 when the economy began collapsing due to economic crisis. The variable will take 1 at this period of time and 0 elsewhere. So to generate a dummy variable that satisfy this condition, you just go on generate in our work file base. You can just click on gen to generate a variable that I will call dummy1, for example, equal IO base here equal 1987. This dummy variable has been generated, and you can see that our dummy variable took the value 1 in the year 1987 and 0 elsewhere. So we can look at our dummy variable, just take the value 1 at 1987 and 0 elsewhere. So we can generate also other dummy variable in the same manner on the year 1988, for example. So I should have called our variable dummy2, so I keep the same name. You can generate many dummy variable according to the particular situation, so that in the econometric modeling you can take into account instability of your series. So that's it for this tutorial. I will come back a little bit sooner on a new material that will help you very well understand statistics and generally econometrics. So thanks very much.